right, this should be pretty clean. There was some jerk from Rhode Island, and he's got at least 40 cars backed up behind him. 30 of those cars are Miatas. He's taking every turn at 15 miles an hour on his brakes through the whole turn. Just inconsiderate. And if you're from Rhode Island and you're watching this, there are pull-offs for a reason. Try using them once in a while. Use that rear view mirror. You've got 2 or 3 cars backed up behind you. You might be the problem. So many different kind of Miatas up here. Let me just tell you. The only way 2 of them would be the same is if they both left the dealership at the same time. Because every Miata I have seen so far today, and I've only seen about 200 Miatas, every one of them has been different. Did I tell you that truck from Rhode Island had people backed up? Man. Right now I feel bad for the people behind him. If that guy decides he's going to slay the dragon and he drives at that speed all the way to US 129, it's going to take those folks an hour. Remember, folks, hands inside the cart at all times. Hands inside the cart at all times. It's a gorgeous day today. This is the perfect day to be in the mountains in your Miata with the top down and the air conditioner on. It's currently 75 degrees. Just a beautiful day. Okay, Fontana Village, next stop. I feel bad for all those Miatas that were behind me. Guessing that was an off-roading Miata. Two more Miatas. And a Ford. Wow. Miata. We'll catch traffic now. There'll be Miatas coming from Fontana Village, heading to slay the dragon. We are not going through there today. We're going to go get us a Coke, and we're going to head back to Murphy, North Carolina. If I can get away from a Pacifica. How about you? You try it. He's going to try to race me with his family in the van. He's got his firefighter tag. That makes him invincible. Instead, the Miata used the pull-off. If you're in a minivan up here, you need to use every pull-off you come to. Like this one. Thank you. Now I got Miatas behind me again. What is that?